I want you to feel a small spark in your head, like a light turning on very slowly. When a secret wish is heard, the brain wakes up and curiosity opens a quiet door. This story begins there, with a girl who carries wishes inside a yellow bag, and with you listening, calm, ready, and able to understand each gentle word without fear. The girl is named Raquel. She is young and feels small in a big world. She lives in a house with loud voices and rules that do not bend. Her thoughts are rich, but her mouth stays closed. Inside her chest, wishes push and wait. She wants to be a writer. She wants to be a boy. She wants to grow up fast. These wishes feel heavy, so she puts them into a yellow bag and keeps it close. The yellow bag is soft and warm. It smells like paper and dreams. When Raquel touches it, she feels safe. The bag listens when no one else does. At night, in her room, she opens it and lets her wishes breathe. They move and talk. A rooster named Afonso lives there. He does not want to wake people. He wants to think. There is also an umbrella that dreams of flying, and a pin that feels important. The bag becomes a quiet world. You can see the room now. The light is low. The air is still. You hear a soft voice, not loud, not fast. The story moves slowly, so your mind can follow. Each sentence feels clear. Each image feels simple. The brain likes this pace. It feels success. It stays open. Raquel listens to her wishes, and you listen to the story, both learning to trust what is inside. Sometimes the world outside hurts. At school, Raquel feels ignored. Adults tell her to be quiet, to behave, to wait. Tension rises in her body. Her heart feels tight. Then she goes back to the bag. Calm returns. The rhythm goes up and down, like breathing. This keeps attention alive. You feel the change, but you do not feel lost. The words stay friendly. Understanding feels easy and kind. Afonso the rooster speaks about freedom. He wants to choose when to sing. This idea is new and brave. Raquel listens and thinks. She feels seen. Her wish to be heard grows stronger. The umbrella dreams of opening in the sky, not in the rain. These wishes sound strange, but they feel true. The story invites you to accept them without judgment. This openness helps learning. The brain rewards curiosity and empathy. Raquel walks with the bag through streets and parks. Sounds come and go. Dogs bark. Cars pass. Leaves move. Sensations build gently. Your visual and emotional centers wake up. You are not rushed. The language stays close to daily life. You understand more than you expect. Each moment gives a small reward. Confidence grows quietly, like a plant in soft light. Conflict returns when adults find the bag. They laugh. They do not listen. Fear spikes. The wishes feel in danger. Raquel feels alone. This is a peak of tension. Then she finds a new friend, an old man who listens. He treats the wishes with respect. Calm flows back. This alternation keeps the mind engaged. You feel emotion, then rest. Learning continues without stress. The old man helps Raquel see her value. He shows her that wishes are not wrong. They are seeds. This message is clear and human. It connects deeply. You feel it without effort. The story uses simple words to carry strong meaning. This balance supports memory. You remember because you care. The reward system stays active, gentle, and steady. Raquel learns to speak a little more. She does not shout. She chooses moments. The bag becomes lighter. Wishes find space outside. Writing appears as a path. She writes stories, small at first. This act brings joy and calm. The brain likes progress. You feel it too. Understanding English feels like writing inside your mind, one clear line at a time. As time passes, some wishes change. Some leave the bag. This feels sad and good. Growing means letting go. The tone stays soft and reflective. There is no rush to finish. You stay with Raquel. The story trusts your attention. You trust your understanding. This mutual trust creates deep learning. There are moments when Raquel feels her wishes argue with each other. One wants speed, another wants rest. This inner noise creates a soft tension. She feels confused, then curious. She learns that listening takes time. The bag teaches patience. Each wish speaks in turn. This order calms her thoughts. You feel this calm too. Clear structure helps the brain relax. Understanding grows when things arrive one by one. Raquel imagines conversations with her future self. She asks if fear will leave. The answer is quiet but honest. Fear stays, but it changes shape. This idea is simple and deep. You grasp it easily. The language does not block meaning. It carries it gently. The brain notices success again. Small wins repeat. Motivation stays alive. On a rainy day, Raquel walks alone. Water taps on the street. The umbrella inside the bag listens and smiles. Raquel smiles back. Sensory details deepen immersion. You hear the rain. You see gray light. Emotional centers connect with words. Memory forms stronger paths. Learning feels natural, not forced. At home, voices still rise. Rules still exist. But Raquel's inner world feels stronger now. The bag is not an escape. It is a training place. She practices courage there. This idea supports you too. Listening in English becomes a practice space. Mistakes are allowed. Growth is slow and real. The rooster Afonso stops arguing and starts thinking quietly. He accepts silence. This change feels mature. Raquel learns that being heard also means listening. The story mirrors this lesson for you. Listening is active. It builds skill. The rhythm of the story supports focus. Peaks and rests alternate. Attention stays stable. Raquel writes again, longer this time. Her words feel true. She reads them aloud to the bag. This sharing brings joy. The brain links language with pleasure. This strengthens retention. You feel the same link. English becomes a place of meaning, not pressure. When the old man leaves, Raquel feels loss. Sadness appears. The tone slows. You sit with the feeling. It is not sharp. It is round and human. This emotional valley allows reflection. The brain integrates experience. Understanding deepens. Raquel does not close the bag forever. She keeps it near. It reminds her of who she is. The yellow color fades a little, but warmth stays. This image lingers. It prepares the ending softly. She learns that wishes do not need to shout. They can wait. This waiting builds strength. The bag becomes lighter in her hand. She walks taller. You feel this lift too. Comprehension brings posture to the mind, steady and balanced. Calm confidence grows with each clear step. Near the end, Raquel opens the bag and looks inside with peace. The wishes are quieter. They smile. She smiles too. The yellow color feels warm, like late afternoon. Melancholy arrives, gentle and kind. You reflect on your own wishes. The story closes the loop it opened. Curiosity finds rest. Silence follows, full of meaning. You feel calm success. You listened in English. You understood. This feeling stays. It prepares you to listen again. Learning feels safe and human. The yellow bag becomes a symbol you carry. It holds patience, empathy, and quiet confidence, ready to open whenever you choose to listen deeply and trust your growing understanding of language and self. This narration is provided solely for educational and language learning purposes, honoring the literary work and its pedagogical value.